Hey guys, look at the edge right here, and today doing a cover. Okay. Hold on, this is an ad that I can't skip. I wish I could edit, but I can't. Karaoke. Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times. My love, he makes me feel like nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, one, no pick up the phone, you know Congress, you're getting alone. Two, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. I gotta go tell him to himself. I got no rules, I count 'em. I gotta go tell him to himself. I keep pushing forward, but he keeps pulling me backwards. Nowhere to turn. Now I'm standing back from it. I finally see the pattern. I never learned. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself. Do I do? One, to pick up the phone, you know it's gone, it's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. I gotta go tell him to myself. I got no rules, I count 'em. I gotta go tell him to myself. Practice makes perfect, I'm still trying to learn it by heart. Eat, sleep, and breathing, rehearse and repeating it, 'cause I one, don't pick up the phone, you know it calls, it's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. I gotta go up to myself. I got no rules, I count 'em. If you know I count 'em, I gotta go up to myself. Don't let him in, don't. Don't be his friend, don't be his friend, don't let him in, don't be his friend, don't be his friend, don't, we getting over him. So I am going to do another song. And we are going to do, it's not here, so okay. I know. Karaoke. Oh, I didn't know. Skip it. I don't know what to do. Hey, hey, he knows. Dirty secrets that I keep. Does he know it's killing me? He knows, does he know? Other hands have touched my skin. I won't tell him where I've been. He knows, it's tearing me apart. She's slipping away. Am I just hanging on to all the words she used to say? The pictures on her phone. She's not coming home. Coming home. I know what she did last summer. Just like me, there's no other. I know what she did last summer. Tell me where you've been. I know what she did last summer. Look me in the eyes, my lover. I know what she did last summer. Tell me where you've been. I know. I know. I didn't mean to know. Can't seem to let you go. Can't seem to hold you close. I know. When she looks me in the eyes, they don't seem as bright. No more. I know that she loved me up one time, but I promised her that night, 'cause my heart knows to die. It's tearing me apart. She's slipping away. Am I just hanging on to all the words she used to say? The pictures on her phone. She's not coming home. Oh, nah, yeah. I know what she did last summer. Just lie to me, there's no other. I know what she did last summer. Tell me where you've been. I know what she did last summer. Look me in the eyes, my lover. I know what you did last summer. Tell me where you've been. I know. I know. Can't seem to let you go. Can't seem to hold you close. Can't seem to let you go. Can't seem to keep you close. Tell me where you've been lately. 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 Can't seem to keep you close. Can't seem to let you go. I know you didn't mean it though. I know you didn't mean it though. Tell me you didn't mean it though. Tell me you didn't mean it though. I know you didn't mean it though. I want to know you mean it though. I know you didn't mean it though. I can't seem to let you go. Can't seem to hold you close. I know what you did last summer. Just lie to me, there's no other. I know what you did last summer. Tell me where you've been. I know what you did last summer. Look me in the eyes, my lover. I know what you did last summer. Tell me where you've been. I know. I know. I know. So, sorry guys. No, I singing. Okay. That's good. I didn't mean to mess up on some of the parts. I'm just really bad at saying things today. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. That'll be the end of this episode. Bye. Bye.